Hello friends. In my last video we have seen requirements for New Zealand tourist visa. Today I will show you how to apply for New Zealand tourist visa online. Before starting a video, let me show you the list of required documents. Scanned copies of passports and photographs of all family members. Bank statement or fixed deposit as a finance proof. Chest X-rays for a medical proof. Police clearance certificates. NOC from your employer or a business proof. Income tax returns if you have. You also need to provide a hotel booking with a payment proof. You must upload a proof of return air ticket. So, let's see how to apply New Zealand tourist visa online. But, before starting that, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can leave your comment if you need any assistance in immigration to New Zealand, Australia, Canada or United Kingdom. Just go to Google and type, New Zealand Visitor Visa Application. Click on Visitor Visa Application. Then just click on Apply Online. Once you are redirected to this page, just click on Login. You need to create RealMe account. Just click on RealMe Login. Enter your email and click on Send Code. Just enter the code received on your email and click on Confirm Code. Now you need to create a username for your login. Choose a 5-digit password as mentioned here. Just click on Continue and wait for a moment. Provide your mobile number with your country code. I am in Qatar, so I will select Qatar. Provide your alternative contact number too. Then you have to provide answers for security questions to recover your account in case you forget your login details. Once you complete all security questions, create PIN for your account. Just accept terms and conditions and click on Create. Now click on Send Code and verify the code sent to your mobile number. Click on Confirm Code. That's it. You are done with account creation. Now it's time to see how to apply for a visa. Just click on My Visa. Under Draft Applications section, just click on Apply for a Visa. Scroll down a bit, and start answering all the questions. Select Temporary Entry Class Visa for the first option. Are you outside New Zealand? Select Yes. Select Visa Type as a Visitor Visa. Select No if you are not Australian citizen or you do not belong to visa waiver countries. Select Purpose of your visit as tourism or holiday. Intention of visit should be holidays or vacation. Just scroll down and click on Start My Application. You can add your family members' details later. Now just click on Continue for the main applicant. Wait for a bit to complete the page loading. Just scroll down a bit and find the question, do you have mononym? Answer no if you have your name and surname is mentioned on the passport. Fill all the details exactly as your passport. Provide first name, middle name and surname here. Select No if you have not used any other name. Select country of your residence when applying for New Zealand visitor visa. I would select Qatar as I am in Qatar. Select No if you applying for a first time. Select No for this option too. I do not have Australian PR, so I will select No here. Select No if you have not traveled to New Zealand in past. Under Passport and Birth Details section, you need to provide your passport number, nationality as shown in your passport, passport issuing country, passport issue date, passport expiry date, gender as per your passport, date of birth as per passport, country of birth and city of birth. Select No if you do not have any other citizenship. Provide your current country or territory. Provide your physical current address. Select Yes if your postal address is same as your physical address. Provide your registered email address which you provided while creating an account. Provide your preferred contact number and alternative contact numbers in this section. Then click on Save and Continue. Likewise, you need complete other sections named purpose of visit, character that is PCC, health that is X-ray report. After that, you have to provide your employment history and need to submit NOC from your current employer. Provide your business registration details in case of a business owner. Next, complete relationship section as well. In the next part, you need to declare if you have any relative in New Zealand. Then in immigration assistance, you need to provide that you are not taking help of any consultant and applying yourself. In supporting documents, upload all the documents as I have mentioned earlier. Just review and declare. Then you have to pay the visa fees for you and your family members. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your online e-visa application for New Zealand. As I mentioned in my previous video, you need to wait for minimum 9 days for getting your visa approved. Immigration New Zealand can get back to you if they need any further documents. If you have not watched my previous video on New Zealand tourist visa requirements, just click on the I button. You can also find a link in the description. Watch my other videos about New Zealand recovery visa and accredited employer work visa for New Zealand by clicking the link in the description. Friends, thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.